If you've been seeing ads for Polar Haircare's Instant Dye Shampoo, you're probably wondering whether it really covers gray hair in just 10 minutes or if it's simply another overhyped product. According to the official website, Polar Haircare's Dye and Protect set includes an Instant Dye Shampoo and a Color Protect Shampoo. The company says the dye shampoo covers gray hair in as little as 10 minutes without requiring any mixing, while the accompanying shampoo is designed to help extend the life of the color between applications. In this review, we'll take a balanced look at the company's claims, customer feedback, and a few things you should know before placing an order. Before we start, here's a quick disclaimer. This video is for informational and educational purposes only. It should not be taken as shopping, legal, or financial advice. Always do your own research before purchasing from any online store or platform. One of the biggest selling points is convenience. Instead of using a traditional boxed hair dye with multiple bottles and complicated instructions, users simply apply the shampoo, leave it on for the recommended time, and rinse it out. For many people looking for a quick gray coverage solution, that ease of use is certainly appealing. Looking at customer feedback, the picture is mixed but generally positive. Polar Haircare currently has a strong Trustpilot rating with thousands of reviews. Many customers say the product was easy to apply, covered gray hair effectively, and left their hair looking shiny and soft. Several reviewers mentioned that it worked exactly as advertised, especially for touching up gray roots, while others appreciated the simple ordering process and regular shipping updates. However, not every experience has been positive. Some customers report that the shampoo failed to color their gray hair even after leaving it on longer than instructed. Others say the final color didn't match expectations, with one reviewer claiming medium brown produced a reddish tone. There are also complaints about hair shedding, refund difficulties, and customer service responsiveness. A few international buyers also express frustration with return policies and shipping arrangements. It's worth remembering that hair color results naturally vary from person to person. Factors such as existing hair color, gray percentage, hair texture, previous chemical treatments, and application technique can all influence the final outcome. A product that works well for one individual may not produce identical results for someone else. Another positive sign is that Polar Haircare isn't a brand that appeared overnight. Its domain was registered in September 2024, giving it a longer operating history than many newly launched online beauty brands. The company also provides customer support contact information, order tracking, and a stated money-back guarantee on its website. So, is Polar Hair Dye worth trying? Based on the available information, Polar Haircare appears to be a legitimate company offering a genuine hair coloring product rather than an obvious scam. Many verified customers report satisfactory results, but the reviews also show that the product doesn't work equally well for everyone. If you're considering buying it, keep realistic expectations, choose your shade carefully, follow the instructions closely, and review the return policy before ordering.